This is from Khasi tribe. There is one from one place in northeast India. It's called Meghalaya. So this there is one biggest tribe they call Khasi. So this belong to them. I like it and I that's why I'm wearing it around.
Super. Okay. You're more powerful.
Vlogger, YouTuber.
Vlogger.
Are you okay to be in the camera?
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name?
Super.
Darijan from
Russia.
Russia. Wow. Nice. New friend from Russia. Yeah. Is it your first time here?
No.
So, like you like.
Yeah.
Yesterday
Super
I bought it from Bhaktapur.
Bhaktapur?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
I am looking for my friend. It's interesting and elegant T-shirt.
Okay.
I find it near Bhaktapur. Is this one?
Yeah. This is from India.
India?
Yeah. This is from India.
I was in India next month, and after them.
This is from one North India tribal. They call Khasi. This is from Khasi tribe. There is one from one place in northeast India. It's called Meghalaya. So there is one biggest tribe they call Khasi. So this belong to them. I like it and I that's why I'm wearing it around.
Super.
Okay.
You're more powerful.
Yeah,
I'm just now sitting in a best restaurant near Boudha Roadhouse on the first floor, and we saw you and asked about the
Okay.
more powerful.
You look so energetic also. You're so energetic. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, let me have selfie with you also. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. She was so friendly and so energetic. She's from Russia, guys. Yeah, and she loved the Buddha shard, guys. Wow. And at least today they got to know about the Khasi, guys. Hello, Khasi people, Meghalaya, no belong paralo, guys. So I'm in Nepal now, and I am in Boudhanath. This is a Buddhist biggest temple, and it's known as one of the biggest temple or biggest stupa in the world, guys. And yeah, this is so famous place, religious and amazing place. So meanwhile I was exploring the place, the stupa, guys. So I found this Russian guys, this Russian lady, and she was so amused by my first was there the Buddha shard, and secondly she asked it about this. She loved it, guys. Khasi people, you have amazing, and it's like attractive, guys. It is really attractive. That's why I took it only from Shillong. May, hello May, if you're watching, people love your gift. This was also actually gifted, guys. It was gifted by my Khasi friend Mada. Was gifted by her, and people love it. It looks so unique. Like at first she was so confused. She told what? She told maybe it is from, she told it's like Buddhism stuff, but no, this is from Meghalaya, Shillong, guys. Shout out, guys. Go play Shibon for the gift, and I happy, guys. So I make sure to post this video for you guys. I didn't forget you all. I love Shillong, Meghalaya, Northeast, Garo Hills, from north to east. You all the best, guys. So let me just show you a little bit about this historical, and this is one of the biggest stupa, guys. The Boudhanath. It's called the Boudhanath stupa, guys. I'll just zoom it for you guys. It is so huge, and it's considered as the biggest. This is the biggest, guys. It's the biggest. It's believed to be the biggest stupa in the world, guys, for the Buddhism in Nepal here, guys. And you see here that this, I forgot the name, but they said it is money, something like money. Like while people moving around, guys, they have to roll it like this, as the Buddhism belief. when you roll it, and you see it all around here, guys. They have it. You have to do it like this, move it like this, and it's like fulfilling your wishes, guys. You have to fulfill the wishes. So if you're watching from Meghalaya, write down your wish. Meanwhile, I am doing this for you all. Yeah, I'm doing this for you all, guys. Make sure to go and watch more of my vlogs in Nepal, guys. So far I'm in Nepal and I already explored Meghalaya, guys. I've been to Meghalaya, Shillong, and I really had good time, guys. You can also go and watch my Shillong vlogs in case you didn't check it out, guys. For now, we'll be exploring Nepal, guys. So I just want to show you a few of the... Yes, Prince. Hi.
Can I?
Gabs, yeah, my channel you want.
Yes.
Okay, Gabs, Gabs. Gabs
BS.
space Gabi. I met this boy. It's called Prince, guys, inside the Boudha Stupa there, and he told me, yeah, the first one. Okay, thank you. Yeah, and he was part of my vlog. He explained it to me a little bit about the Buddhism culture, guys. So now I would like to show you guys a few of the religious, cultural, traditional stuff from here. And you see this one. This is what we have been rolling it that side, guys. Yeah, they have it. And there is one very huge one there, guys. I will show you. It's very big. Like you have to push it with your two hands, guys. Just let me show you. So here you will find a lot of shop restaurants beside here, and here also, guys, these are all handmade, guys. Those things are all done by those people, and a lot of talent out here, guys. And inside there, in front of the Buddha, guys, there is prayer going on. They say it's puja, guys. They say it's puja. I wasn't aware. I thought only puja will be for the. I thought only puja might be for the Indian people. But I just came to know that also, like for the Buddhism people, guys, they do also puja. So here is a very special place where they have a lot of pigeons out here, and they are also taking care of it. Of the pigeons, they are feeding them, and so nice. Yeah. So let me do the last wishes. And this is the dress. Those are the Buddhism people you see in front of me, guys. They're wearing this. How they wear. Yeah. Let me do the last wishes, guys, and I will say bye bye to Shillong people, to Khasi people, who not belong. Paralog, IAP.